I'm Epic Gamer YT. I am back with another Pixel Gun 3D video. So today's Pixel Gun video, as you can see from the title and thumbnail, today I'm gonna be doing a little bit different. Today I'm gonna be doing a chest opening. So as you can see, we have one free, we have one open. We can open we can open the Novice chest for one spin. We can also open up the fighter chest for one spin. And we can also open up the winner chest for two. See, I have 153 keys. So yeah. But yeah, guys, before I get to the video, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn notifications. And yeah, make sure to follow my Instagram and my Twitter, and join my Discord server. I'll link them all down below in the description. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So, alright, so here we go. Okay, so we can get all kinds of different things. Okay, let's hope I get at least one good thing out of these chests. Let's hope I get at least one good thing, at least. Alright, ready? Start from the chest. Oh! That's not what I wanted, bro. That's not what I wanted. Oh well. Let's go for the Oh my god. Nigga, let's hope I get at least one good thing. Alright, ready guys? Pray for the you get anything good from the winner chest. Pray guys, pray. Just pray for me. Go. Am I looking? Oh, let's go! Let's go! We got the laser crossbow. Let's go. Alright guys, let's go again. Come on. Oh, 100 parts, let's go! I think I'm actually close to crafting that thing, actually. Because one time I actually opened up a winner chest and I got 100 parts. I got 100 parts again. We're close to actually crafting that thing. Here, alright, let's just open up this one. Oh, 25 parts, yeah, I think we have enough for that. Ah, dang it. Come on. 25 parts, alright, okay, not bad. Not bad. Alright, ready guys, last spin, what are we doing? Come on. Oh, 25 parts again. Oh, cool. On. Hey, let's go. That's 50 tickets, let's go. Let's see if I have enough to craft that thing. Oh, we don't have enough just yet, but we're close, guys. We're close to crafting this thing. It's 250. I have 232. It's about like 18 more parts, I think, and then we have enough to craft this thing. Oh, I can't wait to craft this thing. Okay, well guys, that's gonna do it for today. That's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was kind of a quick chest opening, but yeah, it's still good though. All right, guys, but I'll see you on my next video. Peace out, guys.